Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about observing the sky. That is chapter 12 of class 5 science. What are you see during the daytime? You see sun. Obviously the answer is sun. Sun dominates the daytime sky with its brightness. It rises in the east and sets in the west. Mercury and Venus orbit the sun more closely than Earth does. We have already know about the solar system from the chapter 11, that is solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system and Mercury is closest to sun and it orbits the sun more closely than the Earth does. And Mercury and Venus can be seen in early morning or evening, so they are called as morning star or evening star, and they seen very low near the horizon. In the night sky, what are you seeing? Venus is the brightest object in the sky after sun and moon, and Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, they can be seen in the night sky with unaided eye, but rest of the planets can be seen with the help of microscope. Now we will discuss stars. What are stars? Stars are huge spheres of very hot gases having light of their own. So they are known as luminous objects. Things which have own light, they are known as luminous objects. So stars are the luminous object. And sun is also a star. In previous chapter, you know that our solar system consists of sun and planets. In that solar system, sun is the only star. So sun is also a star and it is the star nearest the earth. ये अर्थ के पास है. Almost all the stars are million of times farther away from us as compared to the distance of the sun from us. So sun appears like a ball to us, but the other stars appear only as points or dots. अर्थ के बहुत पास सन है और सन से बहुत दूर स्टार्स है. सो सन हमको बॉल जैसे दिखाई देता है, but stars are farthest away from us, so they appear as points or dots. So stars do not disappear during the daytime, but they are not visible during daytime due to sun's brightness. sun का brightness इतना ज़्यादा है कि वो दिन में stars sky में रहता है, लेकिन हमको दिखाई नहीं देता है, क्योंकि due to the brightness of sun, we cannot see the stars during the daytime. Have you seen constellation? Yes, you have already seen constellation, but you do not know what is constellation. So a constellation is a group of stars that appear to form some recognizable pattern or shape in the sky. ये एक तो पैटर्न और recognizable pattern और shape बनाते हैं sky में, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं constellation. So one of the most important constellation, that is Ursa Major, which we can see during spree in the early part of night. Ursa Major, or it is also known as Great Bear or Big Dippers. And the two stars at the top of this constellation are called pointers. Ursa Major का जो टॉप में रहता है 2 पॉइंट, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पॉइंटर्स. Ursa Major or Big Dipper or Great Bear, that is visible during spring season. Also Ursa Minor, it is also known as Small Dipper, which is also visible during spring season. And Cassiopeia visible in autumn and Orion visible in winter season. So Ursa Major and Ursa Minor visible during spring season. Orion visible during winter season and Cassiopeia visible during autumn season. It is also known as Big Dipper or Great Bear. Major means ज्यादा बड़ा है, इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं उर्सा मेजर और ग्रेट बियर और बिग डिपर. This is the picture of Ursa Minor and it is also known as Small Dipper. It is found in the spring season. I told you two stars at the top of Ursa Major are called pointers. This is because the line joining those points is in the direction of special star that is called pole star or north star. Here you can see the lines we joining the direction of the special star, that is north star. Now we will discuss about pole star or north star. North star or pole star is also known as Dhruv Tara. It is the brightest star of the constellation Ursa Minor and it is very close to the north celestial pole, making the northern pole star. And this star appears to remain fixed at one place unlike other stars. This is so because it lies along the axis of rotation of the earth. Hence, this star has been useful to the travelers to define north direction. We have already discussed about planets and stars. So now we will discuss about the difference between planets and stars. First difference is a planet is closer to us than the stars, so planets appear like disks. And stars are very far away from us, so they appear as points. And the second one is planets do not twinkle, whereas stars appear to twinkle. Why? Why planets do not twinkle and stars appear to twinkle? Because stars have their own light, so they appear to twinkle. And the third one is planets change their relative position with respect to each other. So they are also known as wandering stars. Wandering means घूमता हुआ stars, घूमता हुआ तारा. So planets are also known as wandering stars. And stars appear to be stationary. अर्थ का रोटेशन वेस्ट टू ईस्ट होता है. So stars appear to slightly shift their position in the night sky. Now, these are the exercise question answer of chapter 12, Observing the Sky. You read it and write it in your notebook in a good handwriting and learn it. Thank you.